everyone, this is Tiffany from Haibao News. Welcome to our special channel, select Shandong Into Zones. Today we are in Jinan Innovation Zone, where innovation is turning imagination into reality. Our first stop is Inspur AI Factory, where artificial intelligence meets intelligent manufacturing. Let's take a closer look at how powerful computing is accelerating industrial transformation. The Inspur AI Factory integrates advanced AI computing infrastructure with intelligent manufacturing solutions. By supporting AI model training, industrial applications, and enterprise digital transformation, it provides the computing power needed for the next wave of technological innovation. This is Qilu Soft Park, where innovation happens every day. Let's find out how this national software park is powering digital economy and nurturing tomorrow's technology leaders. Established as one of China's earliest national software parks, Qilu Soft Park has become a major hub for software development and digital innovation. Thousands of technology enterprises are driving breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data, industrial internet, and digital services, making the park a key engine of Jinan's innovation ecosystem.